If you love chocolate chip cookies but want to kind of lay off the sugar and you are gluten-free, this will be your go-to. It is a cookie-baked oatmeal. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, all of the above to satisfy your sweet tooth, but there's no refined sugars, no gluten. It's all natural. You probably have every ingredient in your kitchen, and it took me like 5 seconds to make. So if you want to know how to make this, I'm about to show you. Okay, so you're gonna start with half a cup of oats, a 1/4 cup of your milk of choice, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a banana, 1 egg, after we crack an egg, we wash our hands, so I'll be back. Just like a pinch of salt. Maybe a little more. Throw it over the shoulder for good luck. Then you're gonna blend it all up. So once you're blended, you're gonna pour it into a oven-safe dish. I wish I had a nicer looking one, but I'm just using this little Pyrex. Pour that in, like so. You want every last drop, because it's so good. You're gonna want a lot of it. Then I'm gonna add in some chocolate chips. That's a lot more than I think the recipe calls for. Okay, next you're gonna throw it in the oven, 350 for about 20 minutes. So good.